fell asleep, y'all, like hardcore. She said I was snoring. Put it on more so you can. Ooh, that black, but I don't think I like this. Gosh, my butt is big. And ooh. On my way to my lash appointment because we got to get these lashes right for Miami. First thing is to get the lashes, and then my nail appointment is tomorrow because my nails are broken and disgusted. Just a mess. And I always manage to break one before my appointment. I'm trying to get myself right. So I'm on my way to get my lashes done, and I'm gonna take y'all there next week for a bachelorette party. Do you have any plans for Valentine's Day? Oh yeah, we're staying here. Last year we tried to go out to a restaurant. You know what packed it used to be? I'm not doing that again this year. So we're gonna have like a little drawing contest and cook and eat here. I don't know what he got planned. I be tired as hell. Like, we literally be like zombies getting out the bed. Ooh, I need some coffee in my life right now. I try to drink coffee later in the day, and it's gonna help me instead of drinking like in the morning. Yeah, so like if you drink water like the first time you wake up, and then kind of like hold off your coffee at least an hour after you wake up, you're gonna notice a difference. The lashes. Ow, ow. Ow, 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 ow. Appointment done. I fell asleep, y'all, like hardcore. She said I was snoring. I was so tired from trying to wake up at 5 a.m. It's so hard. I'm tired. Now I'm gonna get some coffee. I'm gonna get some coffee, go to Starbucks, try to go to the bathroom. There's a Whole Foods over there, so I'll probably go to Whole Foods, get a little bit of things. I don't want to get too much because I'm leaving.
$2.75. Hi, how are you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Alright.
How many bags I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 bags. I only came in here to spend $50. How I ended up spending $200? When I say I got food at home, I ain't eating out. That's what I mean, because I still don't see how I spent $200 at Whole Foods. But granted, out of that $200, 50 of it was for like a surprise dinner that I'm gonna do for Valentine's Day. So granted, that makes sense. Okay, so I need some minis. I'm gonna get this little soap container. I need a mini one of these. Clorox wipes. We have trips coming up, so I'm just gonna take 4 of these. Ooh, these are the same price. Okay, so I'll take one of these and 2 of these. We'll get a new disinfectant spray. Some travel toner. My way to get my nails done because broken and disgusted, and I almost broke a nail today. That's why I know that they're too long and I have too much nail growth. My nails grow super fast. I broke my nail in December and I had grew it just enough for it to like have a nail back. I got my nails done in January, a little bit before my birthday. It is February and already my nail is like back to the same length. I think I might start getting the tips off and getting my real acrylics done, but I gotta see because then I'd have to start off short, and I'm not a shorty girl. I like my long nails, I like my claws, so I'll see. I think about it, but I'm almost at this appointment. Yeah, I like the color that you chose. It was supposed to be I had an orange, but I think because I still like it, but cute. I wanna dye my hair, but I'm like, I don't want to bleach it. Yeah. I just want to do like semi-permanent, and then like, it seems like a lot of work. It's a whole scene. Here's that acting this. They got the sweat on them. They got a real service. She be doing good with pain movies. Yeah.
That sound like, I'm pretty sure that's probably not her singing. It kind of sound like Mary J. Blige.
I was looking at too. Like, girl, what? How you gonna ask somebody? Can you stay?
Mm-hmm. You help me with the kids. Like, what?
Nasal spray.
So I'm going to Miami tomorrow for a bachelorette party, but I'm like, I can kill 2 birds with 1 stone. So I'm packing for the bachelorette party, but I'm also going to shoot content there, like more so like pictures for my Instagram, because I am lacking pictures. So I'm gonna try on like the different fits to show y'all what I got, or like just put some of it together. Then I'm gonna pack the suitcase. So I need to pack travel size, my toiletries, tripods, all that good stuff. So where is my phone? There is an itinerary. We're going to dinner Thursday night. I need to have an outfit for dinner. Friday is brunch. So I think this orange outfit I'm gonna put on. Hey, that's what I'm gonna wear for brunch. Honestly, this is what I'm gonna wear to drive in and stuff because it's comfortable. I probably won't wear the top. I just don't feel like I'll be comfortable driving 3 hours, so I need a top for this. I'll probably just wear a white top. Actually, I have a white top in my closet. So I feel like this will be a cropped white shirt. So I don't know how I feel about that, because I don't really want to be cropped while I'm driving, but I need a long shirt that goes with gray. No bodysuit, because I'm not going to be comfortable in a bodysuit. I'm going to try this shirt with those pants because I feel like maybe it won't be that bad. Alright, back to the itinerary, because I did not know. So then Friday's brunch, and then we're going out to a club, then possibly Wardrobe midday, but we're going to 11 at night. I don't know what Wardrobe is, so I might need to like Google that. And then Sunday's beach day, so I gotta have a bathing suit. I got something from Amazon. This is like a little 2-piece set. I don't know how that's gonna fit because they were saying that it was thin, but I feel like thin works because it'll be a cover-up. And I need a bathing suit too. I'm gonna bring 2 bathing suits just in case. And I have bought some new bathing suits from Icon Swim, but I want to do a haul with that one. So I think I'm not gonna wear any of those bathing suits. I'll probably pick out 2 bathing suits that I already have. So what those look like. We've got dinner, which I want to wear this to dinner. So I just need a shirt because I don't expect to get that dirty. I feel like that's a good transition piece. But just in case, I'm going to, this long body suit? No, this is a short one. Oh, I have a long bodysuit. Just in case that gets dirty for some odd reason, I have this long bodysuit that I'm going to wear just in case. That's just a regular black bodysuit. Okay, and then Sunday we're leaving. I'm not really gonna take pictures Sunday, so I have a few sweats. What I'll probably do is just put on one of those sweats. I have a brown shirt, this little shirt that I'll wear with my gray sweatpants, just in case, like if I, like the shirts that I do have, if they get dirty, I'll do that now. And I'm so mad. So I ordered the Ivy Park cargo pants, the one that Ice Spice was wearing. And I was like, oh, these are gonna look so cute. They did not. I ordered a medium. The medium sizing was kind of off. And I looked at the measurements for the small and I'm like, oh no, that's not gonna work. This would fit so much better if this was a large to extra large. This is cute. I don't think I have anything that really matches, but let me show y'all this. Ooh, does this pin come off? Look at the details of the hat. Like, that is so cute. Put it on more so you can Ooh, this is actually cute. Is this reversible? Usually a lot of her hats are reversible. Ooh, it is reversible on the orange side. You would just have to take the little pocket off. Obviously it's not gonna fit right because I don't feel like taking the pocket off, but this is reversible. I also got the belly. So originally my goal was to get the cargo pants with this, and I have like the perfect orange crop top. Where the hell at? I didn't feel like doing my hair for reference. Let's see, look how cute that would have been. This, the orange top, and then the cargos would have been so cute, but no, the cargos didn't fit. Like the mediums fit my butt, but they were kind of big, but the front seam was too long. And then I looked at the measurements for this small, the waist was too short. And obviously I could have just bought it. I could have kept the medium and got them altered, but I just felt like for $160 to do all that work for them to fit, like to probably pay $50 to $80 in alterations, I could just buy me some camo print cargos. So that's why I didn't do it. So now I'm going to try on a few of these pieces, and then my suitcase is over there. So then once everything's a go, I'm gonna start putting in the suitcase. All right, so these are the pants, and this is from Hidden Somebody. Okay, yeah, so this is what, like, isn't this so cute? And then I either will pair it with the Yeezys, which I think the Yeezys is cute, or my Ivy Parks. But the Yeezys actually look really cute with it. Let me make sure these fit, because I guess I could drive in this, but I'm not going to. Let's see what this shirt looks like my travel shirt. Oh no, this is already not comfortable. But I do like it like this though. This is actually very cute. This is cute. I'm gonna actually have to wear it like this one day. But that's not gonna be comfortable driving 3 hours. And also I have a really bad habit of when I try like my clothes on for traveling to not put it back on the hangers. So that shirt don't work, so we're gonna put that back in the closet. I also realized that we're going to the club on Saturday and I don't have club attire. I realized that I travel so much. I don't really be going to the clubs, and then when I go to the clubs overseas, they don't really be caring like that. This is actually cute. So okay, I'm gonna drive in this, and then see, I want to take pictures outside the restaurant because we're gonna go to a restaurant when we get there. So I'm trying to think if I want to wear this to the restaurant. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna wear this to the restaurant. When we go outside to take pictures, I'm going to put the corset on because I want to take pictures like in front of the sign. And then that way when we go out, I could wear the corset, it'll be cute. And honestly, originally I wanted to put it with this because, you know, it's like green. But then depending on where we go, this would be cute too. I'm going to bring both. So I'll ask the peoples when we get there, hey, what's the vibe like? Like, do they have, oh, they said we was going to dinner. He wants to go to dinner. Okay, so dinner, the black ones will be more comfortable. I'll probably wear the black ones. So that's Thursday night. Friday brunch. Oh, the purse. All right, so the purse is gonna go with that. I just didn't feel like being pantsless anymore. This is actually kind of cute too. Wait a minute. Hold on. This is cute. Ooh. The purse I'm gonna wear with that fit is the end systematic racism. Kind of want to bring this because I feel like this would be easier for me to, like, if I put this in the back seat, to get in and out of like the stuff I need to change, and then for me when I do my content. So I'm actually gonna bring this. I gotta take all these purses out. I'll do that later. This is what I'm gonna wear to brunch. The shoes that I'll probably wear are those green ones that I showed earlier, the lime green ones. Kind of do a FAMU color vibe. And with this outfit, because I don't want it to be in your face like orange and green, that's too much, I'm gonna do the canvas in systematic racism. What bag did I just pull this out of? I usually keep all the dusters for my purses. Put the bag over there. And I'm also not gonna show the clothes that I'm gonna wear for the content because you'll just see it on Instagram. That's why I had like so many clothes in my bed, because I was trying to figure out what I want to do for that. This is what I wear to brunch, and then after brunch is the club. Like I said before, I don't really have club attire. I literally went on people's IGs, like, you know, the IG models or like IG celebrities, IG baby mamas, whatever you want to call them. I was looking to see, well, what are they wearing to the club? Last time I went to the club, I wore my Ivy Park, which is this. I got this bodysuit from Amazon. I actually really do like it. And for the clothes in this video, I'll try to see if I can find a link for some of them. Like, I know for a fact some of the clothes is not in stock. Obviously this will look better because I have too many layers on underneath, but I think I'm gonna wear this because I could do it with this. This is more of a black. I think this black matches a little bit better than that black, but I don't think I like this per se. I'll bring it anyways just in case. And then I have this skirt. Actually no, I'm gonna bring it, but I know I'm not gonna wear it. I have this skirt, so I was gonna think that skirt with this, but it's something about wearing a skirt to the club that just doesn't sit right. And then I have this, which is a skirt but it's shorts. Actually, okay, I'm gonna put these on. Gosh, my butt is big. My booty to waist ratio with a combination of these nails. I'm gonna turn the light back here so it's a little bit bright. I actually kind of like this from what I can see in the camera. Honestly, this is extremely comfortable. It's a little tight in the back, but I actually like this. And then I can wear the Prada bag, and I can wear the black and brown shoes. I'm not trying to take too many shoes. I like this a lot better. So what I'm gonna do is not wear these, because when I wore them to the club in New York, I was slightly uncomfortable in them. But this is comfortable, this is cute, and I could be in this all night. So this is definitely club attire. Alright, so this is a little piece I got from Amazon. This is going to be my bathing suit cover up, even though I don't really know what it's covering up. I can see how the reviews was saying that this doesn't really do anything. I'm gonna pick a bathing suit that has blue in it, or like, I don't want to wear white because obviously it's our bachelorette party. So I'm gonna find a bathing suit that's got blue, if I have one, or like purplish that goes with it. Even though this is white, I'm still bringing this because it'll be for the beach. And that is literally, in case this outfit gets sandy, I'm literally just gonna toss this on to get into the Uber because I don't think we're gonna be driving to the beach. And then Saturday, we're having a disco theme party. I have one outfit. Well, I really don't have an outfit. I'm gonna try this on, and I feel like, yeah, these are flare bottoms. So this is probably gonna be my disco outfit, low key. Let me put that on. Alright, so this is what I got for the disco party, and I think this is disco-y enough. I mean, it's got flare bottoms. I feel like this is a disco top. This is what I'm gonna wear because the only other flare option I have is jeans. Now, granted, I do still have these bottoms. So if brunch don't get too crazy, this is also an option, bottoms to wear for the disco theme. Those are the outfits. And then I'm gonna fold everything else, pack that up, and then I think I'm gonna do the toiletries tonight because I have a lot of stuff to do. I need to edit, and I have to meet somebody at 5, and it's already about to be 3 o'clock, so I only have 2 hours. So I'm definitely going to do the toiletries later tonight. Okay, so I got the medium suitcase. I'll put my clothes on one side, and I'm gonna put my gear in the other place. All right, I already kind of folded my clothes based on the days and the type of occasion, so that way when I come in the suitcase I'm not running around trying to look for stuff. I got my gym clothes on one side, my Saturday clothes on another side, my Friday night clothes on the other. I have my lounge stuff kind of thrown on top, and then oh wow, so many clothes. Do I need a robe? I don't know if I need a robe. I don't think I need a robe because I got a long sleeve and I got a shirt for the road. So, and this big old cardigan, and what I'm gonna put in this bag. So a cardigan, my 2 bathing suits, bras, and I'm bringing 2 towels with me because number 1, I don't know what kind of Airbnb this is, so I'd rather prepare. I stuffed this suitcase up. I might need the large. I cannot button this up. I don't know. I really might need packing cubes. Alright, so we got one side down. When I come back, obviously I'm gonna put stuff on that side because a lot of stuff goes. Of course, a lot of stuff gonna be dirty. So let me get my loofah. Oh, I might have to bring a book bag. Lysol that stays at home. I'm gonna put the towels in a plastic bag, and then I'm gonna stack the shoes and the purses in here. I got a beach towel and I got a regular towel. Just the Airbnb. I don't have enough. I'm taking some film equipment with me. I'm taking some beach shoes. And I got 2 pair of high heels and a pair of sneakers. This is my version of reusing plastic because I use them as shoe covers. And with my heels, I kind of play Tetris and just kind of fit it in with some loose space. I do have another pair of shoes I want to bring, my workout shoes. But I'm just going to put them in the car. I'm not going to put them in like the suitcase or anything. I don't have any space for them. So then this is all depending on if the gym is even somewhat close by. Because if it's close by, then I can wear my white ones outside. And then when I get to the gym, change into my actual gym shoes. My cosmetic bag is not going to fit in here. This suitcase is full to the max. So I'm going to bring a book bag to put all my chargers. I'm going to bring my iPad with me. And the book bag's going to have all my cords, my hygiene stuff, my makeup, iPad. That's what that's gonna hold because this is no more room. I'm not trying to bring 2 suitcases. Oh! I put my training shoes on top. My Yeezys are in there. I'm good. Alright, so I had to do some returns, had to run to Target, had to run to, see a little bit, Bed Bath & Beyond. Now I'm about to pick up the bride and we're about to head to Miami. Have an epic weekend.
Yes, I am. Are you ready?
I am, well, no, I'm not ready, but I'm gonna get ready. Now we're on our way to get some food, well, in Miami. So now we
Cuban,
got this,
right?
Yes, it's
okay.
Cuban food.
Ready.
The best place in Miami.